Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to find 16-digit debit card number without card. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly find your 16-digit debit card here, just in case your card got lost and you still want to use it. Well, the thing with debit cards here, before we actually look for a way to find them, these debit cards or the debit card number that you currently have right now are actually information or sensitive information. So meaning the only person or the actual person that actually knows your card number here is you. So nobody knows it, even support from the bank that actually released the card from you know the exact card number. So only the four last digits are what they are aware of. So this is due to security reasons. So meaning your cards are protected. So not everyone can access this one. So how do you exactly access this if you're the owner? And how do you recover the number? Well, the thing with this one is it's kind of complicated. Like what I said, it's protected information and not everyone can actually access this. But for some banks, sometimes the card number may be included. Now, this totally depends on your bank. Just keep that noted. So in this case, the first way for you to find your card number here is through what we call the actual app or the banking app for your actual card. Let's just say if you have a Wells Fargo account and you have a card for it, you may want to log into the official app for that specific card. And from then on, once you've logged in, you need to look for your accounts and select the actual account that you have that specific card linked. Now, typically, if you access that one, you should be able to see a number of information. Now, sometimes, but not all banking apps here, sometimes they do give out the whole actual card number, but in some cases and in most banking apps out there, they don't actually give out the actual or the whole 16 digits. Sometimes they just give you the last four digits. Now, what are other ways, just in case this does not work for you? Now, the other way for you to look for your debit card number here is through what we call your statements. Now, statements can come from, let's just say, sent from emails or sent to you physically. So you may want to check your mail or any statements that you received before, and typically you should be able to see the account number or the card number at the top right. Because sometimes with these statements, you need to have the actual statement printed or the actual debit card number printed in the statement, because sometimes you pay through that actual card number. So in this case, at the top right of your statement, look for something similar to card number, account number, or card number, something along those lines. So once you do see that, you should see the whole card number. Now, for email or statements sent via email, you may need to enter your birthday or a password that you've set before in order for you to access your statements. Now, again, since card numbers are protected information, these security features are actually in place. And if you can't find or you cannot find your debit card number here, well, the final thing that you may want to do here is contact support. Now, the great thing that about changing or like just in case you lost access to your card here, well, changing or updating or getting a new one is actually quite easy. So just reach out to the support team or go to the actual bank where your card was actually released. Now, typically, they will not know the actual card number, but they'll be able to assist you in changing and basically removing your old card and getting a new one. So just in case you lost access or you no longer have or you lost your card here before. So in this case, you are going to get a new card here and you should be able to start using that same account with a different card number. So that's the only downside here. You'll be getting a new card number instead of getting the old one. So this is for security reasons. Again, they are trying to protect your account. That's why getting the actual 16-digit debit card number is quite hard right now. But those are the ways so you could try here and see if that actually works. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.